welcome to BeeBusinessBee. I'm Bee and I'm here to tell you all about my new live event that's coming on the 1st of February. At 12 o'clock till 12:20, you get the chance to ask me anything you want to know about business. So get thinking about what questions you want to ask. You can either post them on the day, or alternatively you can email them to me already at direct@thehive@beebusinessbee.co.uk. Get those questions in and I'll answer them on any topic you want. It might be inflation, it might be the 4 Ps, it could even be something about product placements or what's happening in the business world. You got the question, you want to know the answer, ask B, ask me, and I'll get back to you. You can find it on all our social media platforms. That's the Facebook page, on the Twitter page, on the YouTube page, on the Instagram page, and even on the LinkedIn page. Get along to it, check it out, follow the links. Remember, the 1st of February, come and see me talking to you live from the Hive. And while you're at it, don't forget the merchandise. Look at that, a lovely mug, lovely coaster, and of course the BeeBusinessBee tie. Make sure you're buzzing for business.